How to fix LG washer error U5. So your LG washing machine is showing the U5 error. That usually means the washer has detected an imbalance during the spin cycle. The good news is, this is often easy to fix at home. And sometimes, if your LG washer stops mid-cycle, vibrates heavily, or refuses to spin, the U5 error is the reason. It happens when the drum cannot balance properly. Now, here is the solution step by step. What LG washer error U5 means. The U5 error indicates an unbalanced load. The washer pauses spinning to protect the motor and drum from damage. This is common with bulky items, small loads, or improper installation. Steps to fix LG washer error U5. Step 1. Pause the washer and redistribute laundry. Open the washer lid or door. Spread clothes evenly around the drum. Avoid washing one heavy item alone, like a blanket or towel. Step 2. Reduce or increase the load. If the load is too small, add a few similar items. If it is overloaded, remove some clothes. Balanced weight is key. Step 3. Check washer leveling. Make sure the washer sits flat on the floor. Adjust the leveling feet until the machine is stable. An uneven washer causes repeated U5 errors. Step 4. Select the correct wash cycle. For example, use bedding or bulky if available. Use the right cycle for bulky or heavy fabrics. These cycles spin more slowly and evenly. Step 5. Restart the washer. Close the lid or door properly. Press start and allow the washer to rebalance itself. In most cases, the error clears immediately. Important notes. 1. Frequent U5 errors may indicate worn suspension rods or shock absorbers. 2. If the problem continues after balancing and leveling, professional service may be required. 3. Do not force the washer to spin while shaking violently. That's how you fix LG washer error U5 quickly and safely. In most cases, it's just a load balance issue. If this helped, you can now get back to washing without interruptions.